alaikum, everyone. If you are a student and want to earn money online but don't have any investment, then this video is for you. Today I will share real and simple ways through which students can start earning from home using just a mobile or laptop. Make sure you watch till the end because the last method is very powerful. The first and most powerful method is freelancing. If you have any skill like writing, graphic designing, video editing, or teaching, you can earn from websites like Fiverr and Upwork. Even if you don't have a skill, you can learn basic skills from YouTube in a few days. Start with small services like typing work, simple logo design, or YouTube thumbnail. This method can easily help you earn your first income online. Second method is earning from social media. You can create a YouTube channel, a Facebook page, or TikTok account, post content like motivation, Islamic videos, funny clips, or educational content. Once your page grows, you can earn through monetization, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Consistency is the key here. Third method is using AI tools. You can use tools like ChatGPT to write content, create scripts, or generate ideas, then sell content, start a blog, or create videos. AI makes everything easier, even if you are a beginner. If you are a student, you already have something valuable, your notes. You can convert notes into PDF and sell them online. Many students are earning by selling exam notes, study guides, or past papers. This is a very easy and passive income method. Last method is microtask websites. You can earn by watching ads, clicking links, or completing small tasks. Websites include Sprout Gigs and TimeBucks. This won't make you rich, but it's good for beginners. Always remember, avoid scams. Don't pay money to earn money. Be consistent. Online earning takes time, but it works if you stay focused. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which method you will try first. I will see you in the next video.